Dear students, today we'll discuss 5 marks questions on determinants. So determinants, you will get a system of linear equations, that is system of 3 linear equations with 3 unknowns. So you have to calculate the value of x, y, z. So such type of example today we will discuss in this session. So let us begin with this example here. Solve. See, there are 3 equations. This is the first equation, second equation and third equation. By matrix method we have to solve it here. Okay, so like system of linear equation, will take it one below another. So it is a 3x 4x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 60. Next equation, 2x plus 4y plus 6z equal to 90. And third equation, 6x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 70 here. So we will take the matrix A is unknown matrix, matrix A is a coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix is x coefficient. It is a 4, 2, 6, and y coefficient 3, 4, 2, and z coefficients 2, 6, 3. And further we'll take a x here. X is a unknown matrix, so it is a x, y, z. So further we'll take it as a b here. B is, it is 60, 90 and 70 here, RHS element. So dear students, we have taken matrix A as a coefficient matrix. X coefficient is a first row, y coefficient is a second row, and z coefficient is a third row. Further, the unknowns are x, y, z. We have to take it as a column matrix x, y, z, and RHS element we have to take it as a matrix B here. Like this we have to represent. So in order to find the value of x, y, z, we have to use one formula, that is x equal to, it is 1 divided by determinant value of A into adjoint of A is multiplied by B here. I call this particular equation as equation 1 here. So now we'll find determinant value of A. So determinant value of A is, we have to expand this. So for that I have to take plus, minus and a plus here. We have to expand this. So plus 4 as it is, corresponding row this one, and corresponding column this one we have to eliminate. Then we get 4 into 3 minus 2 into 6 here. So this we have to write it here. So it is 4 3s are 12 minus 2 6 are 12 here. Then further we have minus 3. I write a minus 3. Then further this minus 3, corresponding column, corresponding row we have to eliminate. So 2 into 3, 6 we get it. 6 into 6, 36 we are going to get it here. So that we have to write here. So it is 6 minus 36. Further we have a plus 2. We'll write a plus 2. Then corresponding row and column we have to eliminate. So this is a corresponding column, corresponding row we have to eliminate. 2 into 2, 4, compulsorily minus sign. 6 into 4, it is a 24. So that we have to write here. So we get this as 4 minus 24. If we simplify this, we get determinant value. So determinant value is 50 here. So determinant value is a 50, and see, this is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So we can write A inverse exist, A inverse exist, and it has a unique solution, and it has a unique solution here, unique solution, it has a unique solution. Okay, so further adjoint we have to calculate. So in equation number 1 we have calculated determinant value, and B matrix, see we have written here. So adjoint of A we need to calculate here. Okay, so let us find the adjoint here. So it is, for that I write A is 4 3 2, 2 4 6, 6 2 3 here. Then adjoint we have to calculate. So that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Next A31, A32, A33. So these are all adjoint values here that I am going to write here. So here it is. So equal to I have taken. So we have to mention alternatively positive and negative, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus. Okay, further adjoint of a A11 we have to calculate, adjoint of a A11. So A11 means it is a first row first column, so corresponding row corresponding column we have to eliminate. So we get these 4 values, cross multiply, 4 3s are 12 minus 2 into 6, 12 it is. So that we have to write within a bracket. I hope you are understanding, very easy it is. So it is 4 3s are 12 minus 6 2s are 12 here. So simplification will be 0. Further we'll take a next position as A12, row 1 column 2. So this is a element here, corresponding row corresponding column we have to eliminate. 2 3s are 6 minus 6 6 are 36 it is. So that we have to write it over here. So we get this as 6 minus 36. So we get solution as 30 here. Okay, further A13 we have to calculate, A13. So for A13 we will observe that, so this is a element A13, corresponding column corresponding row we have to eliminate. So we get a 2 into 2 4 minus 6 into 4, it is a 24, that we have to write it over here. So we get this as, it is a 4 minus 24. So simplification is minus 20. Further A21 we have to calculate. A21 is second row first column, second row first column, this is a element here, corresponding row corresponding column we have to eliminate. 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4, we get it. So rest of the element we have to cross multiply. So we get it as 9 minus 4, we get it as minus 5 here. So next A22 we have to calculate. For A22, see A22 is this element, corresponding column corresponding row we have to eliminate. 4 3s are 12 minus 6 2s are 12 here, we are going to get it. So that we have to write over here. So we get this as 12 minus 12, so we get the answer as a 0 here. Further A23 we have to calculate. A23 is this element, corresponding row and column we have to eliminate. 4 2s are 8 minus 6 3s are 18 here. 6 3s are 18. So that we have to write it here. So it is a 8 minus 18. So simplification is 10 here. Okay. So next A31 here. A31 is this element. So corresponding element row wise and column wise we will eliminate, cross multiply, left to right minus right to left. So we get this as 3 6 are 18 minus 4 2s are 8. So simplification we get it as a 10. So further A32 is this element, corresponding column and row we have to eliminate. 6 into 4 24 minus 2 2s are 4 we are going to get it. So we get it as a minus 20. Last A33 here, this and this element we have to eliminate this one. So 4 4s are 16 minus 3 2s are 6. So simplification we get it as a 10 here. Okay, so all these elements we have to write it here. So that is adjoint of A equal to, so we get this as A11 0, A12 30, A13 minus 20, next minus 5 0 10, then it is 10 minus 20 and 10 here, and here we have to take a transpose of this adjoint here, transpose. So transpose means adjoint of a equal to, see, corresponding row we have to take it as a column. See dear student, see here first row, see here it is, first row is there, we have to take it as a first column, second row as a second column, third row as a third column we have to take it here. So like that adjoint of A we have to obtain it. So we get this as 0 30 minus 20 minus 5 0 10, 10 minus 20 and 10. Okay, so we get this. So 1 becomes 1 becomes, so x equal to, equation 1 is, so in this we have to substitute a determinant value adjoint of A and B here. So 1 divided by determinant value, it is a 50. Then adjoint of A we have to write it. So 0 minus 5 10 30 0 minus 20 minus 20 10 and 10 here, and we have to write the matrix B. Matrix B we know, so we get 60 90 and 70 here. So further it is 1 divided by 50 will be as it is, 1 upon 50 is as it is. Now we have to do the switch multiplication, that is we will observe that in this row there are 3 elements are there. So this row is multiplied by column here. So 0 into 60 minus 5 into 90 10 into 70 we have to do. Similarly second row is multiplied by second column, third row is multiplied by third column. That answer we have to write it. So we get this as 0 minus 450 plus 700, 7 into 10 700, 0 into 60 0, minus 5 into 90 450, 10 into 70 700. Now second row is multiplied by column 1800, 30 into 60 1800, next 0 into 90 0, then plus into minus minus 20 into 70 1400 we get it. So next third row is multiplied by column minus 20 into 60 minus 1200, 10 into 90, 900. 10 into 70, 700 it is. So we get this. So simplifying this one, so we get this answer as 250, and every element we have to divide it by this. Outside 50 is there, we have to divide it. Okay, so next we get a 400 divided by 50, and next 400 divided by 50. So we get X solution as, see, further we will simplify it. 250 divided by 50, we get it as a 5. Then 400 divided by 50, 8. Next this is also 8. So this will represent X, Y and Z value. So we get X equal to 5, Y equal to 8 and Z equal to, we will get it as a 8 value. So this is a simplification of system of linear equation. So dear students, we have taken a formula X equal to 1 by determinant value of A into adjoint of A into B. So determinant of a value of A we have to calculate, adjoint of A we have to calculate, B we have written in a first step here. So taking this, so dividing by determinant value and adjoint of A and B we have to multiply, and from this we will get a solution for X, Y, Z here. So dear students, so note it down all the steps involved in this and practice the examples here based on this type of a example here. So thank you very much for watching this video.